Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Are you ready to elevate your karaoke game? Check out this mini portable Bluetooth karaoke speaker, perfect for both kids and adults. This compact machine is not just a speaker, it comes with a wireless microphone, making it super easy to sing your heart out anywhere. At home, during parties, or even on outdoor adventures. Imagine the fun of a home KTV experience right in your living room or backyard. One of the standout features is the dynamic light that system with your music creating electrifying atmosphere that will get anyone in the mood to sing, whether it's a birthday party or casual gathering. This karaoke machine adds the extra sparkle to your celebration. And let's talk about the portability. It's lightweight and easy to carry, so you can take it on trip for family outing without any hassle. Just connect the Bluetooth and you are ready to go. Plus it's designed for all ages. Kids will love it and adults can join in on the fun too. The sound quality is impressive and its size delivering clear audio that make every performance sound great, whether you are belting out pop hits or classic ballads. With karaoke machine won't disappoint. So guys, looking for the perfect gift, this mini portable karaoke speaker checks all the boxes: fun, functional and festive. What more could you ask for? So grab your today and get ready to unleash your inner superstar. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe if you are excited about karaoke night ahead.
Hello. The water quack, quack, quack. Rattling down the river and then sailing back. Mother duckling behind. The cumulative swimmer in a long straight line. Out of the river, into the north. Time for level to have a rest. Thank you.
So guys, I hope you enjoy this video. Till then, bye, take care, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe to our channel for more content.